Hello, today you will learn about.
Hello, dear student. It's Claire, your online French teacher. I hope you are well. Welcome to this new episode. Today we are going to talk about the
Futur simple.
regular verbs ending with er. What is the
Futur simple.
tense? When do we use it? And how do we use it in French? We are going to answer all these questions and end up with a bonus if you stay until the end of this video. Without wasting any more time.
On y va.
What is the future tense? The future tense refers to actions or events that will happen after the present moment. It's used to express what will occur in the future. The
Futur simple.
corresponds to the will future tense in English. We use the future simple in the following cases. First, to talk about future intentions. Example:
Demain je rangerai les dossiers.
tomorrow I will put away the files. To make suppositions or predictions about the future. Example:
Tu réussiras dans ta vie, ma fille.
you will succeed in your life, my daughter. And in the conditional sentences. Example:
Si on travaille à deux, on finira plus vite.
if we work together, it will finish more quickly. Note that the
Futur simple.
and the
Futur proche.
are used in different contexts, sometimes comparable to the English will versus going to. The
Futur simple.
is used to express events in the more distant future, whereas the
Futur proche.
is used for the immediate future. How to conjugate the future tense in French. There is a two-step method that will make everything very easy for you. In order to conjugate verbs that end with er in the
Futur simple.
one must first find the infinitive of the full verb, then add the new ending ai, as, a, ons, ez, ont to the personal pronouns. Let's make it simple and understandable by using the example of the verb.
Parler.
This means to speak in French. Conjugation of regular verbs in er.
Le futur simple du verbe parler. Je parlerai, terminaison, ai. Tu parleras, terminaison, as. Il ou elle parlera, terminaison, a. Nous parlerons, terminaison, ons. Vous parlerez terminaison, ez. Il ou elle parleront terminaison, ont.
The simple future of the verb to speak, I will speak, ending, ai, you will speak, ending, as, he she will speak, ending, a, we will speak, ending, ons, you will speak, ending, ez, they will speak, ending, ont. Example:
Papa, parleras-tu de moi demain?
Dad, will you talk about me tomorrow?
Oui, je parlerai de toi demain à mes amis chers enfants.
Yes, I will tell my friends about you tomorrow, dear child. The bonus. As I promise you, for today's bonus we are going to see the 5 most used regular verbs ending in er and know their meaning in English. The 5th one is
Aider.
it means to help. The 4th is the verb
Bouger.
this means to move. The 3rd
Placer.
means to place. The 2nd is
Étudier.
it means to study. And the most used is
Travailler.
which means to work. I hope that this video was useful to you and that you know how the future tense works in French. If you have any concerns, please leave them in the comments so I can come back to that in the next time. Thanks for watching. Take care.
À bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.